This is our Jojoba Boost Skin Barrier Support, a deeply nourishing booster to strengthen, soothe and hydrate the barrier. It's good for dry or compromised skin and reduces water loss from the skin. It creates also a protective film barrier. Key ingredients are our Wadi Wadi Jojoba with vitamins A, D and E and omegas 6 and 9, a super powerful antioxidant for the skin. We also have 2% ceramides. Ceramides are essential building blocks for our skin. They help the barrier by strengthening and also giving a thickness to the skin. The thicker the skin, the less fragile. We also have vitamin F. Vitamin F is a rich blend of omega fatty acids. It reinforces the barrier function. And when used with ceramides, they synergistically work together to strengthen the skin barrier. And then we have hyaluronic acid, an oil-soluble version, which has a great skin affinity. It's hydrating powerhouse, and with the smaller molecules, it's easily absorbed in the skin to drench the skin with water. How to use? Just use 2 to 3 drops on a clean skin after your serum and before your moisturizer.